more than around say hundreds of people were killed, including the innocent women, innocent babies, innocent people were killed. So how far we have to suffer in this situation? We are also citizens of India. We in Manipur is a part of India. Why so much of negligence by the central government continues for the last 18 months? We are also bona fide citizens of India. Why all the time central government and the state government neglecting the state of Manipur? You see, with this unprecedented turmoil situation there in Manipur, our civilians, innocent civilians were killed. Our innocent civilians of India, they are still in the relief camp. More than 60,000. They are in the relief camps. IDPs, they are still in the relief camp. How long and how far they will be there in the relief camps? And see, more than around say hundreds of people were killed, including the innocent women, innocent babies, innocent people were killed. So how far we have to suffer in this situation? We all the time, the entire people of Manipur, ask and demand Honorable Prime Ministers to bring and restoration of peace and the normalcy there in Manipur. But the thing is that the central government totally neglected the issues of Manipur. Now, what happened is that our state government is directly controlled by the central government by using the face of the chief ministers. It is just like undeclared president rule over there. Directly home minister controlling the situations of the state and is still using the face of the chief ministers. This is the present situation. It is more or less the same that it is an undeclared president rule. It is prevailing there in the state of Manipur. So it is totally neglected. That is why we feel that the entire people of Manipur feel that this is the negligence of the prime ministers and particularly the central government, because honorable prime ministers, he never speak on the present issues of Manipur. He never visited Manipur. He never invited the political delegates, political parties delegates to his or even to his office. This is what we feel, that this is totally neglected by the central government, and the state government is totally just like a paper tiger.